Chemistry is the scientific discipline that deals with the study of matter, its properties, composition, structure, and the changes it undergoes during chemical reactions. It is often referred to as the central science because it connects and bridges the gap between physics, biology, and other natural sciences. Chemistry explores the interactions between atoms and molecules, which are the building blocks of matter. It delves into the fundamental principles that govern the behavior of different substances, the transformations they undergo, and the energy changes associated with those transformations. Chemistry can be divided into several subfields, including physical chemistry. This branch of chemistry focuses on the fundamental physical principles that underlie chemical phenomena. It involves studying topics such as thermodynamics, energy changes and heat transfer, kinetics, reaction rates, and quantum mechanics, behavior of atoms and molecules at the atomic and subatomic levels. Organic chemistry. Organic chemistry deals with the study of compounds primarily composed of carbon and hydrogen, often involving other elements such as nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, and more. It examines the structure, properties, and reactions of organic molecules, which are the basis of life and many materials. Inorganic chemistry. This branch is concerned with compounds that are not primarily composed of carbon, such as minerals and metals. It studies the properties and reactions of inorganic substances and covers topics like coordination compounds, transition metals, and more. Analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry involves techniques and methods to identify and quantify the composition of substances. It is crucial for determining the concentration of various components in a sample, whether it's for quality control, environmental monitoring, or medical diagnosis. Biochemistry. Biochemistry explores the chemical processes that occur within living organisms. It's a blend of chemistry and biology and examines the molecular mechanisms of life, including topics like enzymes, DNA, proteins, and metabolism. Theoretical chemistry. Theoretical chemists use mathematical and computational models to understand and predict the behavior of molecules and chemical reactions. This field plays a critical role in advancing our understanding of complex chemical systems. Chemistry has profound applications in various industries, including pharmaceuticals, materials and energy science.